Hey guys, we got a 2018 Samsung TV here. It stopped working completely, so we removed the back panel. Before you remove any screws or anything like that, make sure you have it unplugged. Safety reason, of course, you know. Make sure you remove the mounting hardware. As you can see, this is the actual part that we're going to be removing. That's the actual power supply of the TV. I believe that there were about 7 screws to remove from there. After you remove the screws, go ahead and remove the 4 cables attached to it. Should be pretty easy to take them out. The part was delivered today. It was about $75, $70. I don't exactly remember, but yeah, so we're here installing it. We're gonna start with the screws and then with the cables. Pretty easy to put it back together. That's pretty much it, guys. Plug it in and there you go. It turns on. Pretty easy. Thank you, guys. Subscribe.